What's up, YouTube? I know it's been a minute. I just wanted to give you guys a December update. You could definitely see them. These are my new Enkei RPF1s in bronze. And I didn't even know they made this color. What's really cool is I think it blends perfectly with the mocha seats, which this car only came in with, I think it was like 3 years with this color of seat. Anyway, so these actually came from St. Augustine, Florida. I met the guy in Ocala, so I could. So it was a Facebook Marketplace deal. These things cost like $350 a piece. So paying with DoorDash money, it doesn't go very far. So I was trying to really stretch my dollar. When I got them, the tires were completely shot. And actually, it's funny because on this one, you can see all that, I guess, iron sediment or something, some brake dust. Anyway, the caliper was seized on whatever car he had it on, and it completely, I guess you could say, kind of damaged the finish on this rim. There are some scuffs here and there. I don't know if they make these anymore. I think only one website. I can only find it on one website, but for the most part, these have been discontinued. I know they make the gold and the silver and the black chrome, but you don't see too many of the bronze. That being said, I saw them. I'm like, I have to have them. Now, the tires, I have Continental Extreme Contact, and there's actually a funny story. I was actually just planning on mounting these tires before Miata's at the Gap 2026. However, on Facebook, someone had posted who had a Miata just like mine, and he was moving up north, so he was able to sell me all 4 of these Extreme Contact tires for $200. So I picked it up within 30 minutes of him posting it, and the rest is history. I had to order some of the spline lug nuts because the traditional lug nuts won't fit, and the center caps I got off Amazon, and some carbon fill-ins. I'm going to be putting some Enkei logos. I have a decal maker that's going to help me out with that. And yeah, so as far as performance, these are 17x8 with 215 45/17 tires. They do stick out a little bit more, but it definitely accelerates a lot. I don't know, maybe it's my butt meter, but it feels a little faster when I'm accelerating. I think it's a good upgrade. It definitely makes the car stand out. So, and then I've got my old tires over there. I think if I sell the car, I'll put them back on. But yeah, there's still a little bit of tread on there. But yeah. I also did the brakes, re-greased them. I guess when I was doing the Gap, some of the slide pins were kind of seized up, so I went ahead and lubed all the brake slide pins, front and rear. But outside of that, here she is, and nothing much else has changed after the radio, which was the last mod. And she's still driving good, and I hope to get many more miles out of her. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.